In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to Lovable 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have your Lovable project linked to Supabase so you can power features like database access, authentication, and storage with a reliable backend. Before we begin, make sure you already have a Lovable project created and you're signed into both platforms. If you're working in a team, confirm you have permission to manage integrations. Interfaces evolve, so your screen might look slightly different, but the process is the same. Start by opening your project in the Lovable editor. From the Lovable dashboard, select the project you want to connect and wait for the editor to load. Double check that you're in the correct workspace and environment, such as development or production, so you link the right project. This avoids confusion later when you begin using data from Supabase inside your app. Next, head to Project Settings. You'll typically find this via the gear icon in the top right corner of the editor. If you don't see a gear, look for a profile or project menu in the same area and choose Project Settings from there. Some layouts may also surface settings in a left sidebar. Either way, you're looking for the central place where configuration lives for your current project. Inside Project Settings, open the Integrations tab and locate Supabase. Integrations are usually listed in a grid or a categorized list. If there's a search bar, typing Supabase will surface it immediately. Selecting Supabase prepares Lovable to communicate securely with your Supabase resources so your app can read and write data, authenticate users, and access storage using built-in components and actions. Now click Connect Supabase. Depending on your organization setup, you may see a brief authorization prompt or a selector to pick the Supabase project you want to link. Allow the connection to proceed and keep an eye out for any browser pop-up blockers that could interrupt the flow. When the connection succeeds, you should see a confirmation state such as a connected label or a green status indicator. If anything fails, verify you have the right permissions on the Supabase side and that you're connecting to the intended project. Staying consistent with environment names is a simple way to prevent mix-ups between staging and production. That's it, you've connected Supabase to Lovable. From here, you can confidently use Lovable's features to work with your Supabase data and services, knowing the integration is in place and ready to go. If the interface changes in future updates, follow the same path. Open your project, go to Settings, choose Integrations, find Supabase, and connect.